Before we can add an object to a group in Active Directory using PowerShell, we need to have the Active Directory module installed and loaded. For this snip, I'm going to add a user, a group, and a computer, all to a group in Active Directory. We can see that this group currently has no members in it using the get 80 group member commandlet. Now to add members to it, we use the add 80 group member commandlet. Give it the name of the group and then the members that we want to add to it. And if you have more than one, like we do in this case, they are separated by a comma. And you also notice that the computer has a $sign after it to designate that as a computer. Now we can use the get 80 group member commandlet again to look at the members of that group. And you can see that all three of them were added successfully. So that is how you add an object to a group in Active Directory using PowerShell.